Okay, so next couple of minutes, we are going to discuss. Are we excited, guys? We have done with Python basics, Python prerequisites for AWS. We have done that. So most of the audience here has a lot of curiosity to understand now AWS. Yes, I'm getting into that fundamentals only. So all the smiling coders, for this, we have done a lot of hands-on, no theory, no boring, completely smiling coders. So we understood that for an AWS developer, the prerequisite for programming is Python, mandatory. We wrote some of the code of Python functions, data structures also. So we also now try to write how to create a package, how to execute package. We have done that. But most of the audience were asking me this, Venkatesh, are we really have to give importance to packaging? Yes. If you don't know how to work with packages like request, JSON, OS, logging, Photo3, all these packages are important to interact with your AWS resources. That is gonna be a very necessity. Then coming to the next level, a package level coding I've already demonstrated. So the next part, audience will ask, Venkatesh, I have been learning data structure. I've been forced by organizations to know DSA in and out. But are we going to use DSA more in cloud? Yes. Everywhere in AWS cloud uses only data structures and algorithm. Keep this in mind. Data structure and algorithms are predominantly implemented in AWS in every resources. So when you say dictionary, list, tuple, anything, we are going to use them everywhere, wherever you come across, it's been used. I'll demonstrate one by one example. We will see these case studies, understand it, and we're going to smile throughout the session. Okay. So talk about DSA coding. DSA coding, I have already done a lot of examples, but I would like to give only one example for all of you. So Venkatesh, what the necessity of DSA are we going to learn here in AWS? One example, I'm not going to take a lot of example. So data structure is being predominantly used in proof for AWS is that you can see here response. You can see this response. See, for example, in Photo3, I'm trying to call a function client. I'm passing IAM. And if you print this response, let me print this response. For your understanding, I will show you. Okay. If you run this code, the response will be a data structure object. Okay, so you can see that data structure object. So you can see this is a data structure object. So DSA, how much predominantly you're going to use that proof, I'll just show you. The demonstration I'll show you. So if you see, that is a level of DSA. So you are going to use a vast level understanding of DSA is must. People will say no, but I would say that you need to be a good hands-on with DSA. So I'm going to demonstrate some hands-on. So I mean, no worries, all smiles. Hands-on on DSA dot this thing. So all the smiling coders, you can look at this code. Demonstrate me this code. Anyone here, audience, who has good understanding of DSA? Let me ask you this question. So what is this? What is this, guys? Anyone here? Everyone know Python. Everyone says we are a Python coders. But anyone tell me what is this? What data are we using here? What is it exactly happening here? Any one of you guys?
Jason,
Jasana? No, it's not a Jason. So it is actually what the DSA
Yes,
level
sir.
will show you. No. So
Dictionary.
dictionary, correct. Thank you. So I will show you the actual demonstration to everyone. Thank you guys for all of you being very active. And now I'm gonna continue a smile. Your smile is gonna continue. The combination of DSAs. What is that? The combination of DSA will be used in your AWS. Used where? In AWS. Where all we use DSA in AWS? What combination? Listen. For instance, I'll take an example for you. Give you a very simple example. Okay. Imagine you have three computers. In your house, you have three laptops. Laptop one. Okay. I'll store that in one list. So you have one laptop which has Dell laptop and which has, let's say, Core i5. Okay. You have one more laptop, two in your system, in your house, that is Dell. That is not Dell, let's say that is HP. And let's say you have one more laptop in your system house that's not Dell, that is, let's say, Mac. Okay, and that is Mac processor, that is M1. Okay, and this is i7. Now tell me one thing, totally how many laptops objects do you have, guys? Yeah, I will discuss about that, guys. Hashing, how it has been used it. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate everything. Be focused, laser focused. Next, we're going to demonstrate how they're using all DSA only, everything in AWS. So before I talk about that, so tell me one thing, guys. Come on, smiling coders. Three laptop objects I've created. Laptop one, laptop two, laptop three. Tell me one thing. If I have three data structure objects, okay, so I want to combine this three data structure object into one data structure object. How can I do this? Anyone audience here who can guide me here, or who can give input to me here?
Add it in dictionary.
Very good. It's added in dictionary. No, not like that. We'll create a list. Inside this list, I'll pass one laptop of in my home, the family systems, comma. I can do in dictionary, but that's a different way. So dictionary we have to use like this. See, family laptops. What is the name of the object here? Family laptop. That's an object. Inside this family objects laptop, I have the son laptop 1 person's data, laptop 2, laptop 3. In this case, for each data structure, I have variable. Okay. In this case, each laptop has index. So keep this in mind. So you are actually writing this index of one person in your house if he has laptop. To access him, index 0, index 1, and then what? Index 2. So if in your family, if you want to add one, if you buy one more laptop, if you append, you are going to add dot append. Inside this, if you are adding one more laptop in your system, that is Mac M2. Okay, so then the index will become 3. So it means what? Each laptop is one list, and one each list will have index, because I am writing a list. Inside the list, I am adding one laptop configuration as indexes. Is this clear or not, guys? Then if I want to loop it, I'll write for I in family laptops. Okay, and I will print here print of I. So if you loop it here, I'm going to print, it's going to show me, see what it's going to show me. So that I'm going to demonstrate that only. That's kind of internal thing here. So most of you will see everything here in depth. Okay, so let me remove this. That's not a problem. That is actually key value and again array of objects that they put here. So now run this code. So do you see every family member laptop? Dell, i5, HP, i7, Mac, M1. Is this clear, guys? So do you see this combination of DSA? That is the DSA used in AWS. Correct. So now if you see, this is fine. Now imagine I want to store this laptop belongs to whom in the family member. Then what should I do? Hello? Each laptop family member, it belongs to whom? Then what should I do? I can store this information in this approach. Family laptop 1, but I'll have a key. This belongs to son 1 colon. This belongs to daughter 1 colon. And this laptop belongs to father colon. Hello? In this case, I will write here, carefully listen, I will create a list. Inside the list, each laptop will be one dictionary. Dictionary with key and value is another list. Again, I'll write down like this here. Hello, clear, guys? This is going to be in depth. You're going to go very in depth like this in your internals. Yes. So in this case, I can loop it. But how can I loop it? For I in family laptop 1 dot. If I want to get all the laptop details, I have to write dot values, because it's a dictionary. I can write dot values and print that. Correct or not, guys? If not, suppose I want all the keys. So one second, I am trying to access it with, sorry, you should not do like this, because this will loop it. Sorry. If you want, With I, you can access it. I dot values, because I is a list. I is a dictionary. So if you write I in laptop one, it will give me one dictionary object. That dictionary object, if you want to get values, you will get this. Another dictionary object next time. So that is proper. So you can see that it is getting me one dictionary, another dictionary, another dictionary. Clear or not? This combinations can go deeper and it can go deeper. And that's why most of the AWS users, they will try to access most of the data with a key, and that is with dictionary. So they will try to, any automation code written in AWS will return you a data structure object only. Hello. Another way of writing code is I can write I in family.laptop.colon. Okay, and I can write like this: print of, not no need to print, I can again loop it. For I in, I can only get, because I is a dictionary. In this dictionary, what can I get? I in, not I in, because I will automatically j in I dot keys. So it's gonna print me all the keys. Print of, excuse me, son one, daughter one, father. This is the level of understanding you guys have to. Is this clear, guys?